Bonafide Hustler here, and I'm gonna do a little hot shot. I know you like these kind of videos. So we're gonna see 5 thrift stores today, and I wonder what I want to find. Let's check it out. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris the Bonafide Hustler coming to you live from the inside of Small Spaceship. And you can follow me on Instagram at the Bonafide Hustler. You can also get the free guide right here. It'll teach you 50 items to buy and resell that are typically used at garage sales or thrift stores. Make that money. Okay, so we're outside of a thrift land here in Austin, Texas. And let's go inside and see if we can find anything cool today. Oh, I gotta get my keys out. No. Oh no, I need my mask. Oh no. Still not used to it all. I'm not. So there's like a lot of people in this thrift store, so they're like allowing like one in, one out, I guess. All right, we're in. Let's see if we can find anything here. Okay, for $4, I think I'm gonna get this. It's a DonJoy knee brace. Don't know if it's left or right, but I'll figure that out later. But yeah, looks pretty awesome. And this should fetch 50, north of $50. It's $4 here. So definitely picking this up. Knee braces have an enormous market on eBay. Real. All right, that was a crazy line. I probably stayed in there for like 10 minutes or so, but it was worth it. I think I'm gonna ask around $100 for that that knee brace. The last thing that sold was like around 60 bucks or something like that on eBay. So I think I can get 100. There's so many sold on eBay. Go check it out. DonJoy knee brace, eBay. It's insane. It's crazy. Next Goodwill. We've seen this in my videos, but before I get in there, you know, I would love to get tacos and all that kind of stuff. But, you know, tacos they're pretty healthy, but I like to reserve them for the weekends. It's almost like a reward for working hard during the week and thrifting and all that kind of stuff. Plus, I like to share that moment with my brother. But, you know, if you follow my other channel, damn, you get to see how I build things like this, which is a extremely nutritious meal. Got chickpeas, Valentina sauce, we got some spinach, some pasture-raised eggs in there, all kinds of good stuff. That's on my other channel. Definitely go check it out. Damn. I show a lot of workout stuff, obviously, but I also show diet-related things too, so you can like control your weight, feel better about yourself, that kind of stuff. I could have totally just had tacos, but A, it would cost some money, and B, this is way more nutritious, so I'm gonna eat this real quick, then I'll get in there. I love this Goodwill. See what I can find in there. All right, I'm in the armpit of all the cheddar. I'm looking. This is definitely the armpit right here. Crazy looking backpack. Tough call, 15 bucks for this North Face Borealis backpack, right? Really good color. I mean, probably could sell for around 60, 65, but that's an iffy kind of thing. I would post it for around maybe 70. I'd get an offer for around 55, maybe 50. I won't be making the 50 bucks that I need to be making, you know, on my flips. So it's tough to let that one go, but I'm gonna do it. So keep looking around. Okay, kind of a jackpot. 2 brand new Vibram 5 fingers. They're about 18 out the door each. They should sell for around 80 to 100 a piece. And they're with tags, so that's good. You know, I would have never touched these if they weren't new, but they are new. And yeah, like I said, low end, probably like 75, 80-ish, high end, like 100. But yeah, these are getting a little bit harder to find, and these are the running type. That's why you can see the laces on top and everything like that. So the running type, as opposed to just the slip-on type, or the Velcro closure type, tend to go for a little bit more money. So just as a FYI, if you're looking into Vibram 5 fingers. Next Goodwill is this boutique. I'm already maxed up, and we're gonna go in this place and check it out. I've only been thrifting for like 45 minutes or something like that, so found some cool things, and let's see what we can find in here. This one definitely marks up their prices now, to be expected, but sometimes I can find some gems in this one, so maybe today. Fingers crossed, legs crossed, ankles crossed, everything's crossed. Here, I'm gonna cross my hair. All right, let's go. Okay, then I will. Oh, there's some old Gringo boots right here. I think I'm gonna pick these up for sure. They're super low price, $12.99. This should be like 50 bucks here. I'm really surprised. These will sell so fast. in my antique booth, but they're probably gonna go to eBay. They're nice. This is just a no-brainer. I'm picking them up 100%. All right, I'm gonna look these up real quick. There's some off-white kids shoes right here. They look like they are Vapor Maxes. That's cool, but that's interesting. I wonder how much they are. 10 bucks. This is probably a buy. So yeah, I popped on 2 off-white kids shoes. I found this one, also another bin, 10 bucks. Who knows what they're gonna sell for? You can guess down below. These boots should sell for every bit of like 100 bucks, maybe more. And bought myself a tank top. Got these off-white pink ones for kids, it looks like. Good condition, decent condition, 10 bucks as well. We'll see what I wonder what they're gonna shake out at. I have no idea. Here in the way, I have no idea what these things are gonna shake out for. But I couldn't pass them up, that's for sure. Okay, I probably spent 3 minutes in there. I'm out. And one last place at Goodwill. Let's see if I can find something there. Usually I do on this one, we'll see. Okay, one last Goodwill. Hey, do you like my $2 thrifted shades? Actually, they're not thrifted, they're garage saled. I love these things, they're so cool. Yeah, so one more thrift store, it's sitting right here. And one thing I want to let you know is the Cheddar report number 14 went out to my entire email list this morning. If you're not on my email list, you're missing out on some cool things and some cool sales, but I'll let you in on one here in a second. But yeah, Cheddar report number 14, if you're part of my email list, comment down below or go look at your email, it's sitting there. Pretty cool stuff and neat flips that I've done and what's going on with my other channels in there too. It's like a publication that I give out to my entire email list. But one thing I want to let you know, until Friday at midnight, okay? Bags $2 is 50% off. So I'll put that link down below. It'll be the second link. If you're interested in picking it up for a substantial discount, go check it out. All right, let's get into this Goodwill and see what we can find. You know, I'm pretty happy with the way the day has gone so far. I think not too bad. Let's go in here and check it out. I've probably only been thrifting for like an hour and a half now, so this is my last stop. Maybe an hour and 45 minutes. It's not too bad. Some cycling shoes right here. $12.99. What size are these things? Men's 12. Oh man. And they have the exact cleats that I wear. I'm gonna have to mess with these Polo Ralph Lauren boots. They're 15 bucks. These are my size too, but if all goes wrong, I'll keep them. But this could be, you know, $70, $80 sale right here. We'll see in a second if I pick them up. Oh, some Nintendo Vans. I might have to check these out. These are the Donkey Kong ones. Ooh, these are probably a buy. Pretty interesting. Oh, interesting. Some Fry sandals right here. This could be a good pickup. 8 bucks. Oh, this is probably a pickup for sure. This is doing in the bag section. I have no idea, but more than likely a pickup. I've realized one thing after thrifting today, and that is I should be thrifting a whole lot more. I mean, I go during the week a whole lot, but it's a Wednesday today, and I've just dedicated a substantial, well, a block of 2.5 hours to thrift, and it's just been really good. I think I just need to do more of that. So if you like these videos, make sure you hit the like button and put a comment down below if you want me to vlog more. All right, so the last thrift store of the day produced some really good things. Here are those Donkey Kong Vans. All right, so there's a bunch on eBay between like 140 and 200 bucks, you know? I really do think I could shake out 100 bucks for these. These were $12.99, 10% off, so probably 12 out the door. These Giro shoes are really cool. Size 46, I could wear these for sure. Mountain biking shoes, they're probably $70 sale if I don't like them. I got a Super Boom UE by Logitech speaker for 12 out the door. This should hopefully test out. If it doesn't, I'll return it, but this is a really sought after kind of speaker. This would sell easily for 50 bucks and up all day. Actually, a little bit more than that. This is the Super Boom one. I checked the model number and everything. So pretty cool. And then of course those Fry sandals, which were 8 bucks. And these Fry sandals, just kind of a no-brainer. I'll probably end up selling those for about 50 plus. So what a day. Oh my gosh. Holy moly. This day's just been full of shoes. What? You know, I should have made a shoe guide. I wish wait a minute. I do have one. And it's awesome. All right. If you're watching this right now, I've never done this on a single video, but I will put Shoes to Bucks 50% off till Friday on this video. I won't tell anybody else. So if you're wanting to learn the shoe game, right? It'll be the third link down below. I'll put it for sale. I'll go home, I'll make the code, 50% off, shoes to bucks. Just from this video. I won't tell anybody about it. So if you got this far in the video, now you know. That is a good guide. Between bags to bucks and shoes to bucks, those are my 2 top selling guides, honestly, like no lie. I like big butts, but I cannot lie. Okay, so I'm gonna go home and shoot, you know, pics of all this stuff, and then tomorrow's when I'll box it all up and everything like that. I hope you enjoyed the video, because today was just quite a surprise. I should probably vlog more, right? You know, you should put that down below if I should. Hit the like button, of course, and I'll see you on the next Bonafide Hustler video. It sucks that it's gonna end right here, but it was a really good day, right? I'm glad I shared it with you guys, so take it easy. Goodbye!